My lords, UDR, my lords, it is at page number.
P1, page 226, 25, 26.
260 minutes. 260 minutes.
Rajeshwari Hospital.
260 minutes complaint. UDR complaint. Page number 260.
The FIR UDR report is at page 225, 226.
UDR report. However, my lords, that is the UDR my lords, complaint statement. My lords, it is at page 260. 60. Because he specifically says that the instance of neighbors, he has lodged the complaint.
260 is handwritten.
Handwritten, my lords. And he admits he was there, my lords, till 9:30.
ಹೃದಯಾಘಾತ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ECG ಮಾಡಿ ಹೃದಯಾಘಾತವಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮಾತೃಶ್ರೀ ನರ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಮ್.
And he also says, my lords, ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕದ ಮನೆಯವರ ಸಲಹೆಯಂತೆ ಕುಂಬಳಗೋಡು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಠಾಣೆಗೆ ಬಂದು he doesn't volunteer, my lords, it is at the instance of, my lords, neighbors. My lords, he has taken undue advantage of, my lords, COVID situation to, my lords, take away the life of, my lords, his mother. Lords, now, my lords, coming to the evidence of, my lords, PW8, I want to rely, my lords, evidence of PW8 also. Though she has turned partly hostile to the case of prosecution. Lords, in page number 165, my lords.
Page
165 minutes. The incident has taken place in the night. However, my lords, he pretends that nothing has happened and his mother. With regard to other aspects, my lords, neighbors and others, my lords, they are turned hostile to the case of prosecution. No, my lords, the trial court has relied upon, my lords, 106, my lords, of Evidence Act. Because he was, my lords, along with his mother till 9:30. The door was smart lock. Nobody could have entered the house. External injuries were observed by the, in PM report. And my lords,
she has admitted in the cross examination, though she has initially turned hostile.
my lords, this aspect has remained undisputed, my lords.
About motive.
Motive, my lords, nobody says, my lords,
ದೂರಿನೊಳಗೆ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಎಂದು ನನಗೆ ವಿಚಾರ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು, ಅದು ನಾನು ಪೊಲೀಸರ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೇಳಿಕೆ ನೀಡಿರುತ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
that, my lords, this aspect, however, this aspect has remained, my lords, undisputed.
Correct.
With regard to other aspects,
that she has not supported.
No.
But in the cross examination, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, my lords, apart from that, my lords, though, my lords, sister of the deceased has turned hostile, there is a reference, my lords, earlier, there is lapse on the part of IO, I have to say, my lords, because in the inquest measure, my lords, at the time of recording statement of, my lords, sister of the deceased, she says specifically, my lords, two complaints were there against accused, my lords, one lodged by deceased herself. My lords, that documents have not been collected, my lords. However, my lords, prosecution, my lords, at the time of giving evidence.
The witness.
Prosecution, my lords, at the time of giving evidence.
The witness whom you are referring, her name is Pushpalata.
Pushpalata, she turned hostile to the case of prosecution, my lords. All the witnesses have turned hostile. Lords,
She
I am
is
not
the sister of the
deceased, my lords. Married, my lords.
Yes.
ರಾಜೇಶ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್, ರಾಜೇಶ್ ತನ್ನ ತಾಯಿ ಮೀನಾಕ್ಷಿರವರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಹೇಳಲು ಬಂದವರ ಮೇಲೂ ಸಹ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದ. ಈ ವಿಚಾರವಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಕ್ಕ ಮೀನಾಕ್ಷಿರವರು ಕುಂಬಳಗೋಡು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಠಾಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ನೀಡಿದ್ದು 2017ರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಹಾಗೂ 2018ರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕೇಸು ದಾಖಲಾಗಿರುವ ವಿಚಾರವನ್ನು ನನ್ನ ಅಕ್ಕ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತಿಳಿಸಿದ್ದರು. ರಾಜೇಶ್ ನನ್ನು ಕುಡಿತ ಬಿಡಿಸಲು ಡಿ ಅಡಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಗೆ ಸೇರಿಸಿದ್ದ ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ತಾಯಿ ಮಗನಿಗೆ ಆಗಾಗ ಗಲಾಟೆಗಳು ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದವು. I have to say, my lords, that there is lapse in the part of IO not collecting, my lords, these two documents. Because, my lords, why he has taken undue advantage of, my lords, heart attack, to say that, my lords, because she was suffering from, my lords, coronary artery disease at the time, my lords, the disease was having some problem with, my lords, heart problem. So taking advantage of that, my lords, during COVID situation, my lords, he has committed the offense and put, my lords, he has stated, my lords, heart attack in the complaint. Though, my lords, that nursing home, my lords, they are a few doctors from the nursing home, they have stated that, my lords, they are not treated, or, my lords, they are given the cause of death. The question of, my lords, he coming to know for what reason she died, my lords, and mentioning it in the complaint as heart attack does not arise.
Yes.
This is the material, my lords, as against, my lords, accused, my lords, who happens son of, my lords, deceased. Because both were living together, my lords, nobody could have accessed the.
Asking about 313 statement, no? 313 statement.
Please.
That is also there in this,
Please.
in this compilation.
It is there, my lords. Lords,
Page number.
it starts from, my lords, page number 112, my lords.
112.
It commences from 112.
112.
Because 7 external injuries were observed, my lords, during PM report.
ಏನಾದ್ರೂ explanation plea of alibi has taken.
Yes, my lords, that is, my lords, he was not there, that, my lords.
Plea of alibi. ಏನು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಮನೇಲಿ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. He only could open the door. The section another trial court ಅಲ್ಲಿ circumstantial evidence ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ there are connecting the issues. Is anything you want to add?
Please, ma'am. Lord, in fact, now it is neither my case nor the case of the prosecution that the main entrance door was broken open. In fact, what the
No,
accused.
it appears in your complaint you have stated that door was closed, you opened.
My lord, that is not the main door, my lord. ಹಾಸಿಗೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಮನೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಬಂದು ಬಾಗಿಲನ್ನು ಹೊಡೆದು, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಯಾವ ಬಾಗಿಲು? ಹಾಸಿಗೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಮನೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಬಂದು ಬಾಗಿಲನ್ನು ಹೊಡೆದು, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಯಾವ ಬಾಗಿಲು? ಅದು ರೂಮಿನ ಬಾಗಿಲು, ನಾಟ್ ದಿ ಮೇನ್ ಡೋರ್.
Now you have taken the plea of alibi. You were not there. You have taken the plea of alibi.
Please,
Right.
please.
Read your 313 statement. Here you say that you had gone to certain company to work. You have not whispered anything about that.
My lord, what is the
Gone to certain company to work. You have not whispered anything about that.
my lord, what is the evidentiary value of this statement, my lord? They are pitching this statement as against me, my lord. It was given to the police, allegedly given.
Then whether she keeps if she was sleeping, why does she close only the bolt only her room?
My lord, if at all, my lord, if they want to disprove my version that the room door was broken, was not broken, they could have, my lord, mentioned the same in the Mahazar.
That is
Nowhere in the room Mahazar
no.
they have stated that the lock was intact or broken.
I am sorry,
It
my
is
lord.
nowhere forthcoming.
Let him come.
Yes.
It is nowhere forthcoming, my lord. Now it is nobody's case. It is in fact not my case that the main door, admittedly, my lord, it was a smart door, wherein my thumb impression could have been put to service to open the door.
Correct. You say that you had taken.
I admit that in the complaint.
You say that you had taken to this lady to Matru nursing home.
Please.
But they have disputed that. They have the document he read over. She was not treated there, Anta.
No, my lord. I in
You
fact
yourself jumped to the
I took the help of the neighbors. Then I took my
Right,
mother to
you
the.
read your